Wise men say only fools rush in. If I can help falling in love with you. Hi everybody, my name is Bill Corcoran, and I'm one of the owners of the Crimson Lion with my son Greg, and I think I'm going to try to get him up here next time. It'll be his turn. But I like to kid around and goof around trying to be Elvis and sing Elvis, and it's kind of fun. But we're going to have to get down to a little bit of business now. The Crimson Lion was formed about 10 years ago, and we started off with jar products, salsa, specialty salsa, fruit salsas, jams, condiments, mustards, relishes, all kinds of specialty food items. And I think it was about 2013 we came up with our first drink mix, cocktail drink mix, also known as wine slushies, where they can be made with wine, alcohol, spirits, vodka, rum, etc. And again, 30 flavors is what we have. And today we're going to try making a mudslide. I already started ahead on it to save time, but I'll explain just how they're made. But other flavors are available, like strawberry daiquiri, mojito, sangria, butterbeer, which is kind of cool. How many times could you say butterbeer? I think is the toughest thing. Butterbeer, butterbeer, you know, watermelon margaritas. But you can visit our main website at thecrimsonlion.net or .com. You can order online at our store, which is in Feeding Hills, Mass. You can call us about parties. We do KJ service and DJ service, and we rent out the frozen drink machine. It's a lot easier. It makes your ice, makes your flavors. You just pull on a lever. That easy compared to the home, which you use the blender, which is fine. And like I said, I'm going to show you how to do a hurricane right now. I filled the blender with ice. I put in one package of the hurricane mix. All the directions are right on it. Inside the stand-up pouch is a little baggie with the powder mix. You pour the mix, complete bag in there, and then you're ready to mix it up. You can use rum with this, or you can use wine. I chose a Chardonnay wine. You put 3/4 to 1 bottle of the wine in. The package mix powder. You filled the blender with ice, and you blend away. Okay. I think we need a little power. I haven't figured out otherwise yet. Blend it right up. It usually takes about 1.5 minutes, maybe 2 minutes. Again, I got a little head start. And there's a fine, nice slush there because of the ice that you have. And then I'm making a little bit of a mess, but we'll try to do better next time. And but basically, the yield is 7 8-ounce drinks you get with this. So a 56-ounce blender works fine. And if you don't use, I should say, everything, you can put what's left in a freezer bag. Put it in your freezer. And you can bring it out the next time. It'll be nice and slushy. Just give it a little while and it'll be nice and slushy. But you can adorn your drink with fruit, cherries, whatever you like. They look pretty nice that way. And they're a rare event that, like I said, you can keep whatever is left in a freezer bag. And you can use these drinks at home for parties, bars, and restaurants like them. And we also wholesale and retail and sell them all over the country as well. They're in our local restaurants and bars here in the Mass area. So that's it. Have a great summer. Drink responsibly. And thank you very much.